Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. We want to share you how to embed videos in our e-learning or what we call as Moodle platform. I want to show you four types of video that we can put inside. The first one, this one is coming from Google Drive. So the video is embedded on the e-learning platform. The next one is from YouTube. The third one is from our OWC, or might I say Big Blue Button. And the fourth one is from our Loom. Remember, I just showed you Loom previously, how to make Loom videos. So all these videos can be embedded on our e-learning platform. You can test the video. This video coming from Google Drive.
Assignment of fluid power variety of fluid.
The next one is from YouTube. The third one is from Big Blue Button or our OWC.
Okay, kita sambung semua.
Generation stage ni sir, so
you can see the slide and also the video are embedded as well. So this will be very helpful. And then the last one is from Loom. You can play directly from our e-learning platform.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. So now I want to show you how.
So now I'll be showing you inside another course just to show you how it is done. Okay, we have four here: Google Drive, YouTube, Big Blue Button, and Loom. Okay, before we continue, there are two things you are going to learn today. First one is how to embed video files from all these sources. Second one, you will learn a little bit of coding. So don't panic. The coding is very straightforward. You just copy this code and then put inside and paste all the links. Will be okay. And I will walk you through how to use this coding. You just copy and paste. And I will give you this code in the comment section. Alright. So to start, make sure you've clicked turn editing on. We are now in editing mode. So before we continue, we just want to make sure that we already open the Google File Drive. So this file is already being uploaded in my Google Drive. The size is about 220 megabytes. It can be more. We are recommending if you have a very large files, more than 200 or 300 megabytes, it is advisable for you to upload in your Google Drive. And we have nearly unlimited space in Google Drive. So this is one way you can do without uploading video files into YouTube. So you can use Google Drive. Okay, let's go back to here. So the first thing you have to do, click Activity and Resource. Okay, scroll down until you find under Resource Label. Normally this is a simpler way to do things by using label. Add the label. So we're asking us some things here. So to embed, you have to enable the HTML tag. You have to enable HTML coding. So you click this and there will be a code already. So don't worry. What you have to do, first you go to the code here. So there are two codes. So this one is for paste Google Drive or YouTube code here, and the other one is for insert OWC. This one's for OWC. So this one is for Google Drive. You just copy this code and then paste it inside here. Paste. Alright. So now what you have to do, you have to find a code from Google Drive. So we skip this for a while. Go back to Google Drive. In order for you to get Google Drive code, okay, embed code, so you double click this video. Right, this is the video. And then next, what you have to do, you have to go to more action. Pause this for a while. Go to more action and then open in new window. After you open in new window, you go again to this three button, more action, and you will see this embed item. So you click this and the embed code is given to you. It is still with iframe code. Okay, make sure you copy all this code. Right click, copy, and then let's go back to our e-learning. Paste this code inside the code that I've already given here. Okay, paste it here. That's it. Okay. So after this, what you have to do, you have to give a title name here. Probably I just put this as student presentation. Okay. Once you're done with that, click again the HTML tag code, and it will start to load. So that's it. Save and return to course. So now you already have embedded video from Google Drive. Very easy, few steps. Only that you have to be careful with the coding. Next, let us go to YouTube embedding. So before you continue, we just open any YouTube video. Okay. For example, this is the video that I want to share. So we go back to e-learning platform, add activity. Again, we go to label, we add, and over here same, you click this, expand your tools, and then click HTML. So the coding is there. Go back to this code, copy this code. Remember the top one, because this is for Google Drive or YouTube. And then you just paste it here. You have this. So go back to your YouTube video. So in YouTube video, you have to go here, share. Okay, click share. You have sets of tools that you can use here to embed this file or share it in whatever platform. So we want this one, embed. Click embed, and we'll see this code. This is a long code. So normally I will on enable privacy enhanced mode. Okay. Alright. So copy. Sometimes you want to video to start at certain time. You can on this feature if you want. Okay, you can on this and then you type in on what time this video should start. But in my case, I don't need that. I just copy this code, and then I go back to e-learning, select this text, paste it here, put a title using mini tab, for example, and then click the HTML. The video is there, and then save. So the video is already there. So we already done 2 videos. Next, we go to OWC. OWC is a little bit different. So what you have to do is first you log into your account and open any of the videos here. So once you open, you will come to this, for example, this video,
Okay,
this platform.
kita sambung semula.
So what you have to do is once you got the video, go back, add activity or resource, and then click label, click add, and then you expand your tools, go to HTML. So this one you cannot use the top one. You use this one. Insert link OWC here. Okay, you just copy this. Okay, remember from H4 until the div here. Copy, then go back to e-learning. Make sure the HTML is on, and then paste. So you have this. So you have to insert the links here. Okay. So go to the recording of the OWC. So this link, okay, on the address bar, you copy this link. Copy this link. Go back to e-learning and insert it here. Remember, you have to insert inside this 2 inverted comma and then paste. Put a title, and then presentation, and then click back the HTML code button. Say the video is loaded already. Okay, save and return. Okay, the video is loaded, as you can see. So we go to the next one, Loom. Okay, out of all, Loom is the easiest one. You don't have to copy any code from code that I given you. So for example, you click activity or resource, go to label, and then you add. So make sure you expand the tool, go to HTML, and then go to Loom. open a Loom video, search any videos that you would like to put in. For example, I want to put this video. Just click the video. The video is already open. You don't have to click this link, okay? Don't copy this link. What you have to do is go here, share button, and then you go to embed. Okay, make sure you choose the responsive one, okay? Not the fixed, responsive. I say again, responsive. So you can preview the code or you just copy. So let's say I want to preview the code. Oh, it looks intimidating, but it's okay. Just copy it. Go back to your e-learning and then just paste. Okay, I think that's it. Click here, HTML. Okay, it is loaded already. For example, this video doesn't have a title up there, so you can edit it back again, okay, by adding this code. You go up here and enter, put a HTML code, H4, for heading 4, and then type how tutorial. It's back, H4. This is for heading. Okay, this is some codes here because previously there was a title, so I'm showing you how to add the title. Okay, close back the HTML. So there's the wording how to tutorial. Okay, save and return to course. So there, we have loaded all the videos. Check whether the video is okay. For student viewing, you just turn editing off. Great. Let's check. Let's play the video.
By our lecturer, the fluid industry.
The video is working fine from the Google Drive. Now we go to YouTube. Yeah, scrub the video. Okay, it's working fine. Now we go to the big blue button.
Stage is to collect as many ideas as possible. Menggunakan
Okay, and then the last one is the Loom.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. So now I want to show you how to put notes, right?
Even Loom, you can give this social expression. You see, it's already embedded here. But if you want the full version of Loom, you can watch on Loom. If you click it here, we go to the Loom page. Okay, here you can do further comments. Okay, so let me sum up. With what we have done today is embed video files into e-learning platform in order to share videos with students, and also you can use this as proof. The second one is you just learn how to code in HTML. Congratulations on that. Okay, the best part of this video tutorial is that you've just done what we call a responsive video embedding. So let me show you what does responsive video embedding means. Normally, when we resize the size of this page, I mean the page of our web, normally video doesn't resize as it should. By using the code that we've given here, you've made a responsive video for students view. This is due to students normally they like to access learning platform from their phone. By using responsive video, the video will resize accordingly to the size of your screen. See, so this is how student will look in their phone. So I think that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.